Hey y'all, do you know what's better than individual smart plugs? Let me tell you, it's a smart plug power strip, and this one is by Amazon Basics. And I used to buy a lot of smart plugs individually, and this thing is, I think, a better and more affordable option. As you can see here, it has three plugs and two USB inputs, and I'm gonna try it on my awesome guitar lamp and saxophone light. Listen up. Alexa, turn off second plug. Alexa, turn off third plug. Alexa, Alexa, turn on second plug and third plug. This is a game changer, guys. I highly recommend it. Thanks.